Alright guys, as always, it's time to set up our Bluetooth thermometer here. And what I'm using for this cooking, what I use for every cook is the meter plus Bluetooth thermometer. I only use one. The other one I can just gauge it by what, since I have two pork butts, I can always just gauge it by this one, and use the other type of probe thermometers to check the other one. But anyways, here we go. This is how I set it up. I want to set up cook here, and then from the menu, it's gonna ask you what you want to cook. And today, obviously, we have the pulled pork, so we're gonna go with pork. And then it's gonna ask you what type of pork, if it's a steak, if it's a roast, or other. And I think it's gonna be a roast. And then it's gonna give you a drop-down menu, and it's right there. You see that butt right there? Go ahead and choose that. Then it's going to ask you your cooking appliance. What are you gonna cook this on? And it's giving you oven, charcoal grill, gas grill, or a smoker. And you already know I'm using a smoker right here. Okay. So right here at this point, this is where I adjusted a little bit. That's my ultimate temperature right there. That's where I want to get this guy at. But before that happens, I need to bring these out and wrap them. And I wanted to hit about, let's go 165 on it. Once it gets 165, I want to take them out and I want to wrap them. I mean, I want to leave them here, but I want to cover this up with aluminum foil. Maybe add some kind of liquid, maybe some apple juice in here, and throw them back in there and let them steam up. And then we'll let that temperature go to 203. All right, guys. So there it is right there. This is how you want to do this. You want to grab this guy. There's a line